Hi, this is Dakila Ruexner, occupational nurse practitioner of the company. So, Utikan Builders, through the initiative of Occupational Safety and Health Committee, has been practicing one of its health programs, the bloodletting activity, annually since 2010. Together with our routine activities like Sports Fest and Zumba Fitness program, the goal of the health programs is mainly to reduce the number of employees to acquire those non-communicable diseases such as heart-related problems, hypertension, cancers, diabetes mellitus, and the like. Blood donors are the volunteers from the project sites, usually the operators, personnel from admins, and motor pool. Again, my name is Dax Exner, the occupational health practitioner.